I'm going to show you how you can add an outline on your text with Phonto. Let's open the app. As you can see, I have a text right here. I'm just going to tap on it and go to style. I'm going to change the color so you can see the effect better. It's going to be yellow, and then you're going to go to stroke. Once you're there, you're going to select a color. In this case, I'm just going to tap on black so you see the outline better. Once you have the color, you're going to tap on this two and this plus sign right here on the bottom, and you're going to increase the effect. As you can see, it's getting thicker and thicker. In this case, I'm just gonna leave it at 10, and then I'm gonna tap on done. And that's how you can add an outline to your text.